Hello, 5th class. This is page 120. Question 1. Let's work this out. Okay, 99 over 100. I have to write that as a decimal. Well, if I use my notation board, here I've got my tens and units. There's my decimal point. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. This is over 100. So the last number that I'm going to write is over 100. So here's my last 9. And then the other 9 goes in front of it. There's my decimal point. I need a placeholder. So my first answer is 0.99. Okay. Let's look at B. 7.8. Well, let's write this one in here. So I've got 7 units. I've got a decimal point and 8. So now I can see that I've got 7 units, right? Well, that's a whole number. That's not a fraction. And then in the fractions, I've got 8 tenths. So 7 and 8 tenths. If I want to, I could simplify the 8 tenths, and that would be the same as 7 and 4 fifths. But this answer is also correct. C, 5 and 23 over 100. Let's put this in here. So 5 belongs in the units. Now, this is 23 over 1,000. So the 3 has to go to the thousandths. So here's my thousandths. There's my 3. There's my 2. And now I can see that I need a placeholder in here beside my decimal point. So my answer is 5.023. That one's tricky because people forget the extra 0. And the last, not the last one, no, D, 11 and 11 thousandths. Right, so this time I need my tens and my units. Here's my decimal point. Same again here, I've got 11 over 1,000. So the last number is going over the thousandths. Here's my thousandths. So I need a 1 here. I have another 1. And so this space here, I need a 0 to keep the place. There's my placeholder 0. So 11.011. And the last one, 5.2. So 5 belongs with my units. There's my decimal point. There's the 2. Okay, my units is a whole number. That part's not a fraction. And then looking at my 2, I can see that it's 2 tenths. And so if I want, I could simplify that, 2 tenths, with the same as 1 fifth, because I can divide the top and the bottom by 2. Is that okay?